in the sky.
What is going on, guys? I'm extremely hungover today, and I didn't drive home because I was drunk. So we gotta go get my truck, but first we're going out to eat food because we're hungry, and food helps when you're hungover. But then we're probably gonna go to a pumpkin patch or apple place, apple orchard. And then I gotta get my Jeep later. Hopefully the guy's done cleaning the inside out. Had some water in it because it was sitting out in the driveway. So it had a little bit of mold. So it's getting detailed, getting the mold cleaned out. But hopefully we can go get that. I got a new lens because Jeep Creep is like less than a week away. So I got a new lens, it's on there now. I kind of got a couple other new things I'm gonna talk about. And I'll probably do in-depth reviews of them maybe. So if I do, I will come back and link it in the bottom of the thing. But Jeep Creep is like less than a week away, so I want to try out this new lens, and so I'm going to do like a vlog. So nothing really interesting will happen on this. It'll just kind of be like a vlog thing, and then maybe some B-roll shit. So yeah, this place is like mad packed.
Oh, it's mad muddy too. I'm gonna park on the side of the road.
Mud bog. We're at the pumpkin place, so I'll insert the B-roll now. Alright, we just left the frickin' pumpkin place, and we got two little pumpkins, so we could kind of be like festive. I'm probably blocking your shit.
You are.
We got two pumpkins at the pumpkin place, so it could be festive and put them on our porch and whatnot. And now we're gonna go to the apple orchard, and it's really cold there, so it's like 30 something outside. So we're gonna go to the apple place and maybe get some warm cider and donuts. But yeah. Alright. Just kidding on the apple orchard thing. We went there, and they're not open on Sundays, so no apple orchard. So I just picked the truck up. It's at the reception hall place. Just a couple of our friends got married last night. Like I said, I didn't drive, so I left it there. So I just picked the truck up, and now I'm about to head home. And then I gotta go to my mom's and help them do some stuff because they're like moving, so they gotta pack some stuffs up. But still waiting for this guy to hit me back up about the Jeep. He said he had to go to like a lunch thing at noon. It's 2:14, so once he says like, hey, I'm home, you can come get it, I'll go get it. But kind of hoping that he does it today, because I'd like to go get it now instead of have to dealing with it like one day after work this week, because like I said, the Jeep Creep starts Friday, so I'm gonna kind of go right from work and probably head there and do Jeep things and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm gonna either start the video back up when he gets a hold of me and I'm on my way to go get the Jeep, and then me picking the Jeep up and driving it back, and then if he doesn't get a hold of me, the next thing will probably be me. I'm gonna talk about this lens and the stuff I got, and I pretty much got all this stuff for Jeep Creep, so I can take some cool cinematic video stuff. But you'll see more at the end of this video. It might be the next clip, or it might be at the end. So just wait and stay tuned. All right, we're going to pick up the Jeep. It's the next day, if you can't tell. Ended up having to help Mom freaking move, and it took longer than what we thought. So it's dark when we got back. So we're like at the guy's house, picking the Jeep up, and then we're gonna go get food. So I just went to go make a clip at the gas station, but once the Bluetooth connected to the radio, the video stopped recording, so I don't think you can see me at all. Maybe that's better, maybe you can see me now. But we just left, it's dark outside, as you can tell, and we just we just went and ate Ponderosa, and I'm freaking stuffed. Got that itis, I'm ready to go home and take a nap, but I can't. I got about a half-hour drive left back, because it's like, I don't know, 45-minute drive to this dude's house. I got like a half hour to go, and then I gotta clean the garage out to make room for this freaking turd, so it's not sitting out in the rain no more. I think the spot where it's leaking might be up in that corner on, oh, you can't barely fucking see it, up in the corner on the Freedom top, because these panels like come off, and I think one of them might be leaking, this one over here in the corner, because this is where all the water's at. It's on the driver's side, and there's like a small chip up there, so I guess I'm gonna see if I can find another panel or caulk it, or maybe I won't worry about it until next year, because it's gonna be sitting in the garage the whole time. You guys might not even be able to hear me over this loud ass light bar, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'll start the camera back up once we get home. Just got back home, about to move my car, open the garage, and start cleaning everything up. Jesus criminy. He said the carpet was still a little bit damp, so I'm gonna leave it running. I have the floor heat on like blast right now, and I just put the window up. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the Fusion out, I'm gonna move it back, and then open the garage up, and then I gotta move the bikes and some other stuff around, so I make room for the Jeep. Alright, as you can see, there's a bunch of shit I gotta move, like that ladder and the fans, and like, I'm probably gonna have to scoot the R1 like over a little bit, move them tires and shit, the push mower, this pile of bullshit mulch, and I just want to be able to get the Jeep in here, so we'll do that real quick, and then yeah, well, you'll see. Alright, so it might not be the cleanest, there's a lot of stuff I gotta move in order to get it ready for winter time. Like, I'm gonna probably hold the snowmobile right where the bikes are, where the Grom and the R1 are. I'm probably gonna put these bikes in the other room. If you watch my other videos, I got that room inside here where I bobbed the Rebel out, and I'll probably put all three of the bikes in there. So, and then I gotta get the mower deck off the mower, the actual mower, like the riding lawnmower, not this push mower, and put the plow on it, and that will sit here. I'll take the grill and put it in the back, but in order to do all that, I kind of got to pull everything out and then reorganize it, and I'm not going to do that today. I literally just want to get the Jeep in here, because if it's leaking water, I don't want more water getting all over it. So I made enough room to get the Jeep in, and that's all I want to do, so I'm going to do that right now. Look at that fitment. It's pretty dark. I have a couple inches in the front. I got enough to squeeze between the R1 and the Jeep. And then I should be able to shut this garage door. But I left this ladder out because I gotta take my dad's here like tomorrow or something. So I'll throw this right here. Alright, so I know this video wasn't the most entertaining video. I hope you can see me all right. But yeah, I pretty much just want to get a video out. So before Jeep Creep, I wanted to use this new lens, which I think it looks a lot better. I got a gimbal too, which I know I didn't say that before. It's a little hand gimbal, one-handed, cheap one. It should make the videos look mad crispy though, like them cinematic ones where like I come up on the bikes and stuff and I'm just like, them ones should look legit. I got an ND filter for this this lens too, so cinematic clips should be legit. I really wanted it for Jeep Creep so I could get like a really good Jeep Creep video. So the video should be looking pretty crispy from here on out. It should give it, I know I said it should, but it definitely, you should be able to notice the quality go up a little bit. So like I said, this video is kind of boring, but I want to get a video out, and we did something with the Jeep, and I never do Jeep things. I kind of let it sit around all summer, and I regret it now, because then after this weekend's going back, it's going to be in here for hibernation, because winter's about to roll around. So yeah, if you like this video, I guess leave a like or a thumbs up or whatever. If you are new, subscribe, look at my other stuff and videos every other day. Just kidding, not really. But next video should be either the Jeep Creep video, or I might do a trailer to it. I think that'd be dope. Build up some suspense, if you're catching my drift. Or if anything else stupid comes up, I'll do a quick video before then. But Jeep Creep is like 4 days from now, so there will be a badass Jeep video coming up. So yeah, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.